Okay, today I have printed out 4 pictures to go into the clock, and this is kind of my favorite form now, and I will make short segments to show you these. I think I have to wait to find a way to make these videos and pictures without my face showing up, including my hand showing up in the video. I don't know how to do that, but I will look into it anyway. So this is the Northern Lights background, and more to follow. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Okay, here is the second picture, and this is the Great Wave of Gava. Sorry, Kanagawa. So this is, and this picture you can get also as a watch dial, and that might be my, not next, but the one after that. And anyway, I think this also goes nicely with the clock. And now on to the next one. Okay, this is the third picture, and this is actually Mount Fuji in Japan in wintertime, and I have a similar one in summertime, which was next. And I figured I will offer a service. If you don't have the option or the possibility, you can send me your picture that you like, and I will crop it and have it printed and insert it in the clock before I send it out, so you will get it right finished up. All you have to do is plug it in, go into the web on your phone on Wi-Fi, select the clock, and then put in your Wi-Fi credentials, select your time zone and save it, and that will be it. And it will show you the time, including daylight savings time. Adjust for that automatically, and you'll never have to set your clock again. So that I will offer as well. And now on to the next picture. Okay, this is the fourth picture. It's practically the same as the one before, well, similar, but in winter time. And I want to show you, it goes behind a tree. Actually, this is 2.5 millimeter acrylic, so I'm not gluing it down onto the watch. It's just held there by suction, more or less. And well, it's sandwiched in between the PCB and the front PCB, or front acrylic, I'm sorry, and the round star, I will call it, which goes in between. So it goes in here, and then it has the clear front piece. And yes, that's how I put it together. Just wanted to let you know there's also acrylic in front of it, of the picture, so it won't get wavy or whatever. So this is the fourth picture put in, and I think it does look nice as well. Maybe I should find some spring and autumn pictures or scenes of this same motif, so you could technically every 3 months you could change it out, but I was nobody's gonna do that. But you can pick whatever you like when you order it. If you don't like it after half a year or whatever, you can simply change it out, or just get it with the motif, with the Enig gold motif that it has, or put your own picture in. So anyway, I will put this together in a video and upload it for you onto YouTube. Okay, and I almost forgot to make the mirrored version of it. Trying to keep my face out of the mirror. And anyway, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And I did update the code. It does now fetch the time from the NTP server and writes it to the RTC module on the RTC chip on the back, and it does update it every 60 minutes, and it's actually too much. It would be enough to update every day, once a day or something like that, but anyway. And the hourly chime is working, as I think I showed you that before. And anyway, let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And the colors of the LEDs are washed out right now because it's overexposed, but you get the idea. I will probably also put pictures in the video where you can see it a little bit better. So anyway, thanks for watching, and till the next update.